When working with drug evidence, we use field test kits to identify the substance. We have a substance on a surface here. We open our CSI kit, and our drug test kits, the field kits, are in the upper half of the kit itself, the CSI kit. When we use our controller and trigger on those drug test kits, and whenever we put those in close proximity to the substance, we'll see one of those have been identified by putting it in close proximity to the substance. When we look at that, we see it's identified as cocaine. There is literature that shows how to use this kit, and if we go item by item, we can see the specific instructions for this type of substance and on this kit. Each one is different. And so whenever we pull away from it and actually pull the trigger in close proximity to it, it shows that we've identified and collected that drug substance inside of our CSI activity.